Hey, what's going on, guys? Ray right here. We are back in the garage today for, I guess it would be like an episode 2 of this Grom build that we're doing here. As you remember from last week's episode, we put the dual exhaust on the Grom here. Look at how sweet that looks. I love it. I absolutely love the dual exhaust on this thing. I think it looks really cool. But so now that we did that dual exhaust, we lost the rear fender. Jesus, I'm getting whitewashed here. All right, we lost the rear fender, which means we also lost the turn signals, license plate bracket, license plate, all that stuff. So I just ordered some stuff to make it roadworthy again. So let's get into it. So Amazon was very good to me. I got 3 packages from Amazon Prime. Got here in 2 days. Really excited about that. So yeah, let's just get into all this. Whoa. All right, so first up, I think this is the license plate bracket. It's pretty heavy. So let's see. So bag in a bag. All right. So we got the side mount or the axle mount license plate bracket. There are fender eliminators that I could have gotten. Oh my god, it's a bag in a bag in a bag. Or in a box, flat box. Ooh, there's some hardware in here. But I could have gone with the actual like fender eliminator to mount it in the back still. But with this exhaust, it's so cool since it's dual exhaust. It's like I wanted to leave that like all open as much as I could. So I'm just going to mount it on the side. Let's see. Yep. Nice thick steel. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, you'll see it on the bike. All right, next up, I believe these are the LED license plate bulbs that actually work like screws. A bag in a bag again. And well, that's not cool. That's not cool at all. I thought I ordered. Oh no, nope. All right, that's good. That's good. We're good. I thought I ordered like 2 of these, but it comes as a set. It comes as a pair, and see, so it acts as the screw for the license plate, but it also has these little bulbs for the lamp. So I'm gonna have to be doing some wiring later. And what I'm really excited for, but I'm really nervous for, is this integrated tail light. I seen a bunch of reviews where they said this the faceplate fell off after so long, but it was $13. Some people say that it works absolutely fine. Other people say that the thing falls off. So here it is. Man, I thought this was really cool. Like, it reminds me of the new Mustangs, or the Mustang taillights, which after I install it you'll see it. But yeah, I thought it was pretty cool, integrated. And like for the Groms, I don't know, there's not a whole lot of options for like integrated taillights that you either go really cheap or expensive, and I consider expensive like over $100. And for like the Grom, I don't want to spend like over $100 on an integrated taillight. I don't know. Probably just gonna wreck it anyway. But I might have to. I don't know, guys. I mean, it looks like it's glued on, but I don't know. I might feel safer doing a little extra glue job on here. But I'll let you guys know. All right, now let's put it all on the bike. All right, guys. Now that we have the seat off, this is pretty cool. So literally, all it's gonna take to get rid of this taillight that we have on here now is just these 2 screws, or these 2 nuts, and it'll pop right off. You just have to follow the blue shielded thing down here, and there we go. There's the connection that we're going to need to disconnect right there, and then we'll have to figure out, trace the wires back into this connector here, or it comes with a connector. Get out. It comes with this connector here that you just have to I guess figure out where they go. And and I guess make our own connection, which is going to be crazy. I've never done it before. Alright guys, so I'm sorry, I was caught up in the moment and I already connected this without showing you how I connected it. It was really I don't know, it was really easy. All I did was I looked at the factory one here, right here, and I matched up the colors, matched up the colors of the wires and the connectors like this because it's the same connector. It's like a factory style connector. So it was self-explanatory. Now I did hear some reviews where some people said that they actually had to switch a wire around because it wasn't right. I don't know. We'll find out when we plug this thing in. But I'm sorry. It was just really easy to do, guys. If you can't do this yourself, then I'm sorry. You're gonna need a buddy with some experience to help you out. All right. So now let's get that in there. And then we have to connect it right there. And we'll turn it on and see what we got. All right, cross our fingers here. Ooh, okay. Okay, we are going to do the left light. Oh, I know why. Oh, I'm an idiot. I didn't hook up the turn signals yet. I'll be right back. Okay, let me show you guys something. This might seem a little janky, but it's going to work. Unless I decide that I want to go the route of actually wiring in the connectors correctly. Just follow me on this. All right, so I disassembled the stock fender right here. Took all the wiring out of it, and I was messing around with it to see like if I could or how I could connect the OEM turn signals for never mind. But I reconnected the stock harness to the stock harness on the bike, and I have the wires coming from the new turn signal. The turn signal wires going to the harness where the OEM turn signals came out of. So in theory, I mean, that works. We turn the bike on. We see we have the light on. Now, this is the problem where I'm going to need that LED flasher relay, because we have turn signals now, but they don't actually flash. So, yeah. But hey, at least this is working somewhat. Cool. Alright guys, we got the taillight installed now. I think that looks real nice. Adjust the lighting here a little bit. But I'm thinking that looks real nice on this bike. I still gotta get the whatchamacallit. Oh, jeez. I swear this light's gonna get me one day. I still gotta get the LED flasher relay to fix the no flash issue. When I do, I'll show you guys how to do that too. Might not be in today's video, but next we are gonna do the axle license plate axle thingy-majiggy. Okay guys, so we just put my little license plate bracket together. Man, this thing is like heavy duty. No joke. It's pretty dang thick. So this thing is not going to be flexing at all. Excuse me, I'm fueled on Mountain Dew right now. Excuse me. Jeez. All right. So I don't know if there's a law in Wisconsin for which side this can go on, but just for ease of easiness, I'm going to put it on the right side of the bike. So we're going to put it on this side and have it right here. Don't know if it's a big deal. I guess I'll find out in the future. Okay, that felt like it was torqued down way more than it should have been. So I'm going to look up the torque specs and figure out what it's supposed to be torqued down to, because that was crazy. Ta-da! There we go. 44. Let's give it one more. Yep. Alright guys, so I am super happy with the way this turned out. We have the side mount license plate on here. We have the integrated tail light. Let me turn this on for you. Might not be that best to see because of, I can't really see it that well. But yeah, that is the integrated tail light, which I still got to get the that flasher relay. But oh yeah, I really like how it cleans up the back end. So you can really just take in that exhaust. God, I love this thing. All right, you guys got to hear this. I mean, you heard it in the last video, but there she is again. Woo! All right, guys. So that concludes this episode of just installing the integrated tail light and the side axle mount license plate bracket. So next episode, probably might go a couple weeks, but next I want to do is get new bars and possibly new plastics. We'll see how the finances turn out. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. So until the next one, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.